Konstantina. I'm from Greece, and my program was Regenerative Medicine and Tissue Repair. It was a Master of Science by Research. I'm a biologist, and I did my undergrad during COVID, so I think a lot of us got impacted by the pandemic and kind of lost a lot of practical experience. So a lot of us wanted to do a Master's by Research just to see if we like being in the lab and if we can cope with academia. So I just really wanted to do a research master's just for that. And it really helped me get motivated about my science and get excited about doing practical lab work. So I very much enjoyed it. And the course was very good at keeping you motivated. You needed to be self-motivated as well, but they gave you the chance to get your own research project and your own lab, and you got to be fully integrated into the lab culture and have lab meetings, so it was very exciting. The fact that you can really shape the topic as much as you want, it's really your research project, and you join a lab and you have a topic, but you can really turn it into something you're proud of and something you actually want to research. It gives you a lot of freedom to look into questions that you're actually interested in. So I wanted to, if I could go back, I would tell myself, it's okay to be a nerd and think about questions that you want to answer, and that will make you do research that you're super proud of. I think comparing it to London is quite pretty and small and close to nature, and like there's tons of things to do, but not like super far distances to get from one place to the other. I think the student community is great here, especially if you live in Old Town where all the students are, so it's literally very safe. I felt very safe and I felt very social, and there was a lot of live music, which I really enjoyed. So a lot of opportunities to join clubs as well. Starting the Masters, I told myself I never wanted to do a PhD because I think my undergrad, with everything being online, kind of demotivated me to pursue that. But I just started my PhD. I just went down to London, and I'm very excited about it, so the Masters really helped. So I want to go into biotech, and I think the Masters was a very good step towards me getting the experience that I need to get there. So I think without my Masters, I wouldn't have my PhD, and I wouldn't be equipped to deal with the workload that comes with a PhD and how independent it is. So hopefully it was like a stepping stone towards the PhD, and then after the PhD I can join a company somewhere or some sort of effort to help people, because it's biology, so it's quite like health focused, so maybe